Ever wondered how to successfully transplant your plants? Well, you're in the right place. Transplanting plays a critical role in a plant's health and growth. Transplanting doesn't have to be intimidating, and with a few easy steps, your plants can thrive in their new homes. Timing is everything when it comes to transplanting. The ideal moments are typically early spring or fall. You see, during these periods, plants are often dormant, making it easier to move them without causing undue stress. With the right timing, your transplantation process is already off to a great start. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of transplanting your plants. First, prepare the new location. Make sure the hole is twice as wide and just as deep as the plant's current container. This gives the roots room to grow. Next, gently remove the plant from its original location. Be careful not to damage the roots. They're the lifeline of your plant. Now comes the moment of truth, placing your plant in its new home. Position it in the center of the prepared hole, ensuring that the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Fill in the hole with soil, pressing firmly but gently. This helps to eliminate air pockets without compacting the soil too much. Post-transplantation care is vital. Water your newly transplanted plant thoroughly, and continue to do so regularly. Protect it from harsh weather and pests. Remember, patience is key. Your plant may take a little time to adjust to its new environment, but with proper care, it will soon thrive. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about successful transplanting. Remember, timing is crucial. Identifying the right moment to transplant ensures your plant's survival. The step-by-step process we covered, from preparing the new pot to placing the plant, is fundamental. And let's not forget, post-transplantation care is just as important to ensure your plant thrives. And that's how you can successfully transplant your plants. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!